How to renew Indian passport in USA. If you are living in the United States and your Indian passport is about to expire, don't worry, the renewal process is straightforward, but you need to follow the right steps to avoid delays. In this guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to renew your Indian passport while staying in the USA. Step 1. Know when to renew. Indian passports are typically valid for 10 years for adults and 5 years for minors. You should start the renewal process at least 6 months before your passport expires. If your passport has already expired, don't panic, you can still renew it, but you might need extra documentation. Step 2. Gather the required documents. To renew your Indian passport, you will need the following documents. 1. Current Indian passport, original and a photocopy of the first 5 pages and last 2 pages. 2. Proof of address in the USA. This can be a utility bill, lease agreement, driver's license, or bank statement. 3. Visa status proof. A copy of your valid visa, green card, I-797 or I-94. 4. Recent passport size photos, 2x2-inch photos with a white background as per Indian government guidelines. 5. Change of address proof if applicable. If you are updating your Indian address, provide proof such as an Aadhaar card, voter ID, or Indian bank statement. 6. Name change documents if applicable. If your name has changed, submit legal documents like a marriage certificate or court order. Step 3. Fill out the online application. The Indian government has partnered with VFS Global to handle passport renewals in the USA. Follow these steps. 1. Visit the Indian Passport Services page on the VFS Global website. 2. Select Renew Passport and complete the online application form. 3. Download and print the completed application form. 4. Pay the processing fee online, which varies based on your passport type and urgency. Step 4. Mail your application package. Once your documents are ready, send them to the designated VFS Global Processing Center. Your package should include printed application form, passport-sized photos, supporting documents, payment receipt, return shipping label so they can send your new passport back. Make sure you use a secure courier service like FedEx or UPS to track your package. Step 5. Track your application. After submitting your application, you can track your passport status on the VFS Global website using your reference number. Processing times vary but generally take 3 to 6 weeks. If you need your passport urgently, you can opt for Tatkal service, which speeds up the process to 7 to 10 business days. Step 6. Receive your new passport. Once your renewal is processed, VFS Global will return your new passport using the shipping label you provided. Remember to check your new passport for any errors as soon as you receive it. Bonus tips. Always keep a photocopy or digital scan of your passport. If your passport is damaged or lost, you will need extra documents and a police report. Make sure your visa status is updated before traveling outside the USA. Now you know exactly how to renew your Indian passport in the USA. Have you gone through this process before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with anyone who might need it.